Good afternoon, everyone. It is National Pancake Day. Now let's step up on this walkway right here, and we are going into Dennys to have pancakes today. And I'm going to do a full food review of America's Diner right now. I always like to show what's in these claw machines, and there's a Kansas City Chiefs bear, so I guess he must be a champion now. There's a Miami Dolphins coach. How cute. Looks like somebody tried to get it. And over here they have the striped animals. That's cute.
Every entree you get, you could get a set of pancakes with it.
Oh, I'm excited. I'd like a pancake for National Pancake Day. All right. It's Pancake Tuesday in Ireland. Well, how about that? Let's go get our seat.
I had a little boy so excited. Oh, Dad, he was going to be here. He could have pancakes on Pancake Tuesday.
Oh, how about that?
Just go.
So I'm going to get a pancake today on National Pancake Day. Not sure if it's going to look like that, but it's going to have some strawberries and whipped topping on the top of it. Here's their breakfast menu. That looks really good. They also have their signature slams, which I'm kind of a huge fan of. The signature breakfast. And their pancake slams on National Pancakes. National Pancake Day. They also have French crepes, and you can order a la carte. Savory omelet menu. The Mile High Denver omelet. That's cute. That's actually really good with ham and cheese. Starters. You can get sauces with these starters, and they have classic samplers here. The zesty nachos are pretty good too, and then they have the hamburgers. 100% beef with milkshakes. Country fried steak. Sirloin. And they have the dinners. The Wild Alaskan salmon's really good. I would recommend it. The sizzling skillets. I've tried the bourbon chicken. It is Fat Tuesday, so that's a good dish to get today. And they have your dinner sides right there. And they have your melts and handhelds. Your club, your brisket, your Superbird, your slow cookers. Then you have your salads down there. Your 55 plus meals, including breakfast and lunch and dinner. They even have the Wild Alaskan salmon in the 55 plus. And they have your dessert menu for the lineup today on National Pancake Day at Dennys. You've got your beverages back there, your coffee, your tea, your lemonade, your fused tea, your herbal tea, your hot chocolate, Minute Maid orange juice, smoothies, milkshakes. And there's a QR code so you can join the club. So we just got our salad. This is a standard Denny salad. It's so good. The tomatoes are a beautiful bright red. The cucumbers are deep and green like summer cucumbers. They put your croutons on there and your cheese and your lettuce. It's so good. So good. My Wild Alaskan salmon just came to the table, and it is so good. I know we're not here to eat salmon all day. We're here to eat pancakes, and I'll do a better video on pancakes. They're coming up just a second. But, oh, you squeeze fresh lemon on this salmon. It is so incredibly delicious. Squeeze it on the rice. And the salmon is so good. So good. On National Pancake Day show today, National Pancake Day. And we're about to dig into these pancakes. The strawberry and whipped topping is on the way. Right here at National Pancake Day at Dennys. Alright, the whipped topping and the strawberry compote are now at the table. Oh, if my thumb doesn't go through the lid. Now that smells like strawberries. A fresh field of strawberries. I'm going to put that on the side. Outstanding. All right, let's take a bite. Okay, let's take a first bite of pancakes on National Pancake Day. Mmm. That's delicious. These are really light and fluffy cakes. That's a good texture on that pancake. Mm-hmm. So good. You dip them in whipped cream, it's better. Yum. That's a wonderful texture. They did a great job of making those. Oh, these are so good. But be sure to dip it in the strawberry sauce and the whipped cream before you eat it. Right here on National Pancake Day. Now that made my day right there. Pancakes on National Pancake Day. Right here at Dennys. What a wonderful day. And the whipped topping is exceptional. The doors of a new Dennys are always open. I just love that old ad. The doors never close. This is an ad from 1966. Steak dinners were $1.69. Imagine paying that ridiculous amount back then. That was expensive, wasn't it? $1.69 for a steak dinner. Wow.
Because the inflation is not the same.
That's right.
Over there like a year ago, and it was like
Dennys Donuts and Restaurant
I'm like, come on,
years ago.
I don't know. Like I was gonna say, in the 60s there was an Y'all have a good one. Okay.
Well, that was wonderful. And I believe that Kansas City Chief guy's still down in there. He looks like he's stuffed way down there and they're hard to get out. But those are the little bears you can win. Oh, scan for free plays? Huh. Maybe later. But I used to win a lot out of those back in the 90s. I had a big old handful of those. I call them the joystick games. Those are so cool. But yeah, there's a Kansas City Chief down in there. Maybe next time I'll try to get him out, if he's still there. But anyway, that was fun. If you've enjoyed this video on National Pancake Day, eating delicious pancakes at Dennys, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I've got a lot of fun coming up. Whether it be from America's Diner or somewhere else special. And thank you so much for watching.